Print on Demand. Part 1. Welcome to our deep dive on print on demand. If you're exploring online business opportunities, monetizing your creative skills, or simply looking for an additional income stream, print on demand, or POD, is a popular and accessible option. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know from understanding the basics of POD to exploring the latest trends, strategies, and tools you can use to build a successful POD business in 2024. What is print on demand? Let us start with the basics. Print on demand is a business model where you partner with a supplier to print custom designs on a wide variety of products, such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters, and more. Unlike traditional retail, there's no need to order large quantities or manage inventory. Instead, you upload your designs to a POD platform, and when a customer places an order, the supplier takes care of production and shipping. This makes it a low-risk, scalable model ideal for entrepreneurs with limited startup capital who want to avoid inventory hassles. Popular POD platforms include Printful, Printify, Teespring, and Redbubble, each with their own unique advantages, product selections, and pricing structures. With POD, you can turn your creativity into cash flow without needing to worry about production logistics, making it a great option for artists, designers, and e-commerce entrepreneurs alike. How print on demand works. Here's a quick look at how print on demand operates. First, you decide on a niche and create unique designs tailored to your target audience. Next, you upload these designs onto a POD platform, connect it to an e-commerce store or marketplace, and set your pricing. When a customer orders, the POD provider prints your design on the chosen product and ships it directly to the customer. Your profit is the difference between the sale price and the base cost of the item set by the provider. The process is simple, but each step is important. Choosing the right platform is key. Printful and Printify offer Shopify integrations, making them ideal for branded stores, while Redbubble and Society6 provide their own marketplaces, which attract built-in traffic but can be competitive. By understanding these steps, you'll be set to manage a streamlined POD business. Advantages and challenges of print on demand. Print on demand offers several clear advantages. First, it's low cost and low risk since you don't need upfront inventory. It's scalable, and as long as you have new designs, you can keep adding products. There's also a wide variety of customizable items, from home decor to accessories, giving you many creative options. However, there are also challenges. Profit margins in POD can be thin, particularly if you're pricing competitively. Quality control and delivery speed are also out of your hands, as production and shipping depend on third-party suppliers. To stand out in the competitive POD market, you'll need to differentiate your brand, build strong customer relationships, and carefully monitor product quality through sample orders. Latest trends in print on demand. The POD industry is evolving, with several new trends shaping the landscape in 2024. Here are a few that can help you stay ahead. 1. Personalization. Customers are drawn to personalized products more than ever. Offering options to add names, dates, or custom messages can set your items apart. Some POD platforms now even support custom upload fields so customers can add their own photos or designs. 2. Eco-friendly and sustainable products. More consumers are shopping consciously. Look for POD providers that offer eco-friendly options like organic t-shirts, recycled tote bags, or sustainable packaging to cater to environmentally conscious customers. 3. Global marketplaces. Reaching an international audience is easier than ever through platforms like Etsy and eBay. Global shipping options from providers like Printful and Printify help expand your reach beyond local markets, allowing you to tap into demand from around the world. 4. Augmented reality AR previews. Some POD platforms are integrating AR features to let customers visualize products before purchase, enhancing their online shopping experience. If you sell through a platform with AR features, use it to show customers how a wall art piece looks in their room or how a shirt fits in real time. So, that's it for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.